Hello people, today I wanted to explain to you how to use mesh deform because I'm trying to use it in order to uh, make visible suit over my t-shirt. So I will be able to have t-shirt under this suit, but in this case I will use a page deformer, mesh deformer, and I will show you how to use this. Oh, wait a minute, I just have to turn wireframe. Okay, let's get back to work because I must show this. Oh, sorry, you have to go to object polygon, but automatically when you when you select, I will show you what to do first. I think, as I understand, our t-shirt must become a child. I will hide this object to show you. That t-shirt must become, mesh deformer must become children of t-shirt blue. Now I will unhide the cage deformer. I will show you. After this, when you go to when mesh deformer is child of t-shirt, we have to drag page deformer that box what we modeled. I just have to check something because I don't know if I done this properly. Yes, because this will become automatically wireframe because uh, I just have to check because we have options, basic coordinates, display. Don't worry about that. And after that I will show you. When I select all points, what options have we got? For example, you can also when you do some changes. Wait a minute. For example, when you work with Cage Deformer, you can use soft selection as well. Even if you apply changes, you can still use option. Why this doesn't work? Where did I go? Oh, sorry, I probably used all the Cage Deformer. I didn't, sorry people, I didn't delete all the one. For example, you apply changes, but not everything was working as you want. So you can use option restore. Or another thing is when you edit cage deformer. For example, you want to extrude it because you wanted to extend arm. But after doing that, you probably have to update once again. So now you can use once again page deformer. Now I will use lasso to move forward my suit. Mm, because I tried to find a solution, uh, but this is the quickest way. I like very much Cage Deformer. It's something similar to FFD, but it is similar, but in my opinion, it works a little bit better because you can use custom page, because this is like custom page which you created your own page to be able to modify polygon according to your shape. I can create model of the suit. Oh, I remember tolerance selection visible only, so we can only select front faces. Something in my opinion isn't seems to be isn't right. I should have added one loop more here. I didn't add one loop. Hopefully that won't be a big issue because I can still move that part of mesh forward. Oh, so you can see all the gaps slowly disappear. I wish I could turn X-ray on. I don't know if this is possible to do that. No, this doesn't really make the difference. I wish they had added like X-ray. I can see internal points. Okay, that polygon. Oh no, enough. I didn't add enough points. Well, but it is still working okay. Definitely I should have added more points to the polygon mesh. Let's check bottom sleeve. Oh, works perfect. I think after when we made some changes, I will also check back side of polygon. I like very much this modifier. All artifacts seems to be gone. I don't see any visible polygons. If you want to apply polygon, we will have to select two of the polygons. I think t-shirt blue and page deform and connect objects. Wait a minute. I just have to think what to do. Probably t-shirt blue and page deformer. Connect object please delete. Because this is only polygon which we used. Now we apply the modifier. We can unhide our character. This is my character, what I am working on. Oh no, I will still have to do some modifications. But this is not difficult. You can still make some changes if you use a custom polygon object. I wouldn't use a sculpt brush, but if you see something like minor issue, that should be okay if you use a soft selection to correct position of sleeve, position of the sleeves. But because this is only minor issue, so that would not be big problem to fix. And you can see I created suit. I have hidden a t-shirt under suit of the character. I will have to save Factory Experimental 01. In a minute, people, I must probably go to sleep because it is getting quite late. What time it is? Almost 1 o'clock in the evening. I hope you like my video tutorial how to use page deform. I'm sorry that I had too many things in my outliner, but what you're supposed to connect? You're supposed to connect t-shirt to modifier. Then in modifier, you select modifier and you tell modifier what object must be chosen to deform t-shirt or suit or whatever. I have chosen that box what you have seen previously. Still it will lie